This video is to show how to disinfect and dispose of used microbiology tools such as inoculating loops and pipettes. To disinfect tools, you're going to need some sort of vessel to hold your isopropyl alcohol. A cup's included in your kit, you can use that, or you can designate a water bottle that can be used as well, as long as it's not ever going to have beverages again. Into one of these vessels, you should pour about an inch deep of isopropyl alcohol. The cup shown here was a little too much. To conserve ethanol, you about an inch deep. And when you're done with tools, you just submerge them in the ethanol. So you don't have to have two vessels, you just need one. And the tools need to sit for 30 minutes submerged in isopropyl alcohol before you would discard them in the trash. The liquid, the ethanol, the used ethanol, should be poured down the drain and flushed with a good amount of water.